Assalamualaikum and hi. Welcome to the video summary of a chapter number 5, which is the title of this chapter is a matter. Okay, we are covering 4 subtopics for this chapter. Number 1, we learn about the properties of matter, okay, density, pressure, and also the last one is about buoyancy. Okay, first of all, we learn about the properties of matter, which is we go for the solid, liquid, and gas. We learn about the shape, okay, the volume of solid, liquid, and gas, and also the interaction force between the atoms in the solid, liquid, and gas. Next, we have learned about the density, where density is equal to the mass divided by the volume. You must to find the mass of the object and divide by the volume of the object to find the density, and the unit of density is a kilogram per meter cubic. After that, we have learned about the relative density, which is relative density is equal to the density of any materials and divide by the density of water, where the density of water is equal to 1000 kilogram per meter cubic. It's very important for you also to know about the pressure. Okay, pressure is a force acting perpendicularly to a unit of area where P is equal to F over A. Okay, alright. We also learn about the concept of variation of pressure with depth. Okay, the pressure in the fluid is depends on the depth, where the pressure at all points at the same level of depth is same. Okay, and this is the equation that if you want to solve the problem regarding to the pressure in the fluid. Okay, pressure in the fluid is equal to the rho times G times H, where rho is the density of the fluid, G is a gravitational acceleration, and H here is referred to the depth. Okay, if atmospheric pressure is taken into the consideration, the total pressure in the fluid will become P total is equal to the P atmosphere plus rho GH. P atmosphere is equal to 1.0 times 10 to the power of 5 Pascal. Okay, so next we learn about the Pascal's principle. So you must to know the concept. Okay, you must to understand how to calculate the Pascal's principle. Okay, Pascal's principle states that pressure exerted on the fluid in an enclosed vessel is transmitted uniformly to every portion in the fluid. So, pressure in the input is equal to the pressure at the output. F1 over A1 is equal to F2 over A2. The last but not least, we learn about the buoyancy in the fluid. What is a buoyant force? Buoyant force is the force acting perpendicularly upward on the body when a part of or the whole body is immersed in the fluid. There are 3 equations. It's very important for you to know this to solve the problems regarding to the buoyancy, to find the buoyant force. FB, buoyant force, is equal to the rho times G times V. Rho here refers to density of the fluid, G is the gravitational acceleration, and V is a volume of the immersed body, which is equal to the volume of the fluid that the body replaces. Number 2, buoyant force is equal to weight of the object in air minus weight of the object in a water. And the last one is buoyant force is equal to mg. What is the mg? Actually, buoyant force is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced and also equal to the weight of an object floating in the equilibrium states, and the weight of fluid displaced is also equal to the weight of the body submerged in the fluid. Okay, that's all that we have learned, the important things that we have learned in the chapter number 5. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.